Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell digital products on Shopify. Let's get started. In order to do that, just click on this add product right here. And then from in there, you just need to fill out everything. So let's head over in here to Udemy. I have here a product that I want to sell. So for me, I'll just copy this actual title and then I will just paste it in here. Now, as per the description, I can use AI in order to rephrase this description that they have into a more good description. So I will just paste it right here, click on generate, and then this will generate a text for me. So I'll just click on keep in order to add this right here. In here, you can also add in the media. So click on this upload view. And then let me just head on over and then try to upload a specific image that I have in mind. So for me, I'll just choose this one, click on open, and then as you can see, it will upload this specific file in here as media. For the pricing, I will price it at around 3,500, and the cost per item is actually 2,990. So I have a profit of 14.6%. So as for the inventory, I can actually track the quantity, and in here, you can just put in here a lot of quantity. So in here, as you can see, just make sure to uncheck this one since this is not a digital product. So the customers will be able to enter shipping details and you can actually add this as a digital product right here. And also add in variants if you have those. So in here, you can also add in here product category. So we can choose from in here and search in here for digital. So in here, you can have digital sites, digital goods. So I'll click on this digital goods. And the product type will be actually added on your actual course. So for me, I'll just put in here course. And for the vendor is my stores. And for the collections, you can choose which one, but this is not applicable to me yet. So for the actual tags, I will put in Python. I'll put in programming and the like. So I have here two, and we can also choose a new template for this one. So let me just save this. And as you can see, it will be saved on my product description. And we can actually head over to our online store in order to see it. And once you're on the online store, you should be able to see the pages that I have. So in here, as you can see, this is what it looks like. Now, customers will be able to add this to their carts in order to receive this stuff. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so please like, below, subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.